All right, new at 11, it has happened again. For the third year in a row, Maine has set a record for drug overdose deaths. News Center Maine's Alex Haskell joins us live now with a look at the numbers. Alex.
Hey, Zach. Well, it's a troubling trend for sure. According to a new report by the state, last year, 716 people died from a drug overdose, 631 the year before. Experts tell us the data is no surprise.
Every day, Carrie Barton is on the front lines of Maine's drug crisis.
Substance use is really hitting our community hard right now.
Which is why her and her team at Portland Public Health aren't shocked about this new disturbing report showing yet another record year of overdoses in the state.
It's astounding, but I'm not surprised.
The report just released by the Maine Attorney General's office says more than 10,000 overdoses were reported statewide in 2022. 716 of those were deadly, up from 631 deaths in 2021. Every number is a person, which is why Barton works every day to make sure people battling substance use disorder have help they need, including access to the overdose reversal drug naloxone, also known as Narcan.
I do think that we are making an impact. We're getting naloxone out to the community more and more, and we're seeing an increase in the number of bystanders who have naloxone on them to be able to save a life.
It's one reason Gordon Smith, the state's director of opioid response, says last year's overdose survival rate reached nearly 93%.
We can, if we do the right things, make this better.
This year, Smith says the state plans to invest more in strategies proven to prevent drug overdoses.
There's $237 million in the new budget, if it passes, that invest in mental health and behavioral health and substance use disorder.
When asked whether or not he thinks the state's plan to combat overdoses is working, Smith says their strategic plan has always been focused on prevention, treatment, harm reduction, and recovery support.
All of these things have to work together. We have to help and support people in early recovery. We have to have enough treatment available.
But as the epidemic continues, Barton says she and her team are committed to providing free Narcan to the public. It could be the difference of life or death.
An overdose can happen to anyone.
Now, Governor Mills is reacting to the report, saying her heart breaks with every life lost to a drug overdose, and went on to say in a statement, in part, we will continue to work with advocates, the recovery community, and lawmakers to tackle this epidemic, to prevent addiction, to help more people access treatment and recovery. Zach?
Alex Haskell, thanks so much.